Welcome to the shop. Today I'll be doing video 2 of the workbench build. If you haven't seen the first video, go check it out. It's where I build this top. Today's video is going to be the legs and stretchers that make up the base. And there'll probably be 1 or 2 more videos where I put this whole thing together. Let's get started.
First, I cut the leg boards close to their final length. Then I smooth the sides up for gluing. I cut the middle board longer for the tenon, but if I had to do this again, I'd probably just make them all the same length and then cut the tenon after I glued it. Once the glue was dry, I cleaned up the tenons. Then I smoothed the sides and cut the legs to their final length. After I smoothed the sides, I checked all the legs to make sure they were still square. I cut all of the tenons for the stretchers with a router, but a tenon saw or a table saw would work too. I just don't like using my table saw. I removed the bulk of the waste with a chisel, and then pared down to the depth marked by the router bit. For the side relief cuts, I just used a regular saw since they were a lot smaller. Once all the tenons were cut, I used them to lay out the mortises. I don't know why I did the tenons first, I don't think it made any difference. For the mortises, I cut out most of the waste with a drill. Then I cleaned everything up with chisels. Even with sharp chisels and a drill, each mortise took me a really long time. It's great practice for future projects though.
Wow, that was a lot of work. Thanks for following along this far. I know I was trying to get all the way through assembly in one video, but I felt like it was worth having all of that in there. So we'll put all the assembly for the legs and then gluing up the top onto there as the next video, and that should wrap it up. So if you want to get notified when that comes out, hit subscribe down below. I'll leave a link down there too to the first video where I build the top if you haven't checked that out already. Thanks for watching. Till next time.